Morning guys, morning. So I'm going to take Hayden, the simple mechanic, in this one because I saw his little toolbox tour he did the other day, and for want of a better word, it made my shit itch. And he knows. He's organised chaos, but he knows where everything is. So I want to bring you along for mine. Just a little quick one. I ain't going excited, and I am also going to show you what we clean our toolboxes with. Some of that. So I'm going to open top drawer now. So I have got it zoomed out quite far because you got to try and squeeze it all in, right? Socket drawer. This is my top drawer. If you want to know what oat is, or what brand or whatever, then please comment down below. But yeah, this is basically aimed at Aiden. Second drawer. It's my screwdrivers, a couple of torque bars. These are good for getting pipes off. You just got to be really careful because they are sharp. You can stick an hole in a pipe. Long torques, trim tool, little sacrifice screwdriver. This is a good thing. It's not a flathead screwdriver. It's more like a twatting bar from Snap-on, and it's one of them ones that they haven't got printed on it. Don't hit it. Don't use it as a chisel because that's literally what it's here for. Drive through and everything. Bars that I'm not really asked about. Temperature gun. Let's go. Silverline temperature gun. Yeah, works a treat. That's good for diagnosing as well. Obviously, a thermal imaging camera would be a wee bit better, but you know. Spanners, they're all where I need them. Crow's feet, a couple of you have asked me if I have a set. Yes, there's my set of crow's feet. They do come in handy. They don't get used as much as some other stuff, but you know, the 17s to the 19s for the exhaust temp sensors 100% get used quite a bit. Long aviation spanners or Saturday spanners, whatever you want to call them. These are only cheap ones, Nielsen, but they're still good. They do a trick, good for wheel alignments and swinging on shit basically. And then the long, the Blue Point. So they are the Flexi Aviation ratchet spanners. So obviously you've got a 16 there and an 18. These are good for swinging off shit and all that you're not really bothered about. Volkswagen rear end wheel alignments. If you know, you know. Them and them are what a combination. I've got my electrics on this section here. So Milwaukee 3/8, Milwaukee 1/2 inch. By the way, the DeWalt's that won't die, so the impact, it won't die. I can't kill it. Whatever. This stinks when I use it. It smells like it's going to like combust. Still won't die. So that's off the DeWalt on them two, but they will get replaced with the big red stuff when they finally do give up. Ratchet, I need a battery for that. That's my little 3/8 low torque. This is my long 3/8 low torque again, but it's fast. And then this, I know it's got the Milwaukee badge on it, but this is the biggest fucking waste of time ever, right? So even the 1/2 inch, the 3/8. So if you've seen Enright Automotive's video, I'm going to call bullshit because it's shit. For every application I've used it for, it's awful. So it's a right angle impact. It's not a ratchet, it's a right angle impact. And there's my little flamethrower. Good for heating up little things. Obviously not cracking off big nuts and stuff like that. You need the pickler stuff for that. I'm going to leave that out there because we don't put our stuff back in our toolboxes. Grips and stuff. Water pump pliers. These are really good. Long nose snap-ons, but really thin entry. They're good. These are an interesting set. They're for springs on drums. They're alright them. More grips, loads of other grips and pliers and cutters and all that good stuff from all different brands. I do have a lot of Snap-on guys, I'm not going to lie. Here's my odds and sods. Even my odds and sods are organised. Nuts and bolts. Parking sensor brackets, you know. Clips and seals, couple of timing tools, brake pipe cutting tool. Got to do it right guys, haven't we? A couple of extra bits, clutch pedal clips, lockers, wheel bolts, you name it, we've got it. I like to be organised, I like to know where things are. They're good for holding shocks up when they've got a broken spring or something like that. I know the AA use them, and these come on PDIs as well. Air hammer, that needs replacing, to be fair, that's seen better days. Tap and die set, I used this only yesterday as well. Silverline again. Obviously we got brake wind back tool, compression tester for petrols, trim tools, hose clamps, radio keys, a little grinder, clutch alignment tool, another one of them, I'll move that in a minute. Some timing tools for the TSIs, the diesels, Milwaukee grinder, that's a beast. That's my little Mac Air 1/2 inch, that's really good. That's, believe it or not, a rivet gun. Bloody good, and that's the Volkswagen genuine one as well. And it goes out, hold on, let's get this bad boy out, I've got to do it one-handed. Goes out quite far. So yeah, that's a bit of a beast of a tool for fitting your speakers. This is my Sundries drawer. Little scan tool, snap-on multimeter, a couple of electrical bits there. I don't know why I've got a socket in there. That's a shit drawer. I know that's a shit drawer, I need to find homes for them. These are a pair of Stilsons that my granddad gave me. Unfortunately, he's passed away now, but he gave me these and I've kept hold of them, and I use these for wheel alignments and stuff like that. Very, very good, very, very old, but you can tell just by the weight and how they feel, they're made from some proper good stuff there. And that's it, guys, that's the Toolbox Tour. Now I wanted to bring you along and just show you that, and then also show you what I use to keep it clean. So I have mild deep release. So that is your citrus pre-wash, so your degreaser. I'll mix that up in there. I need to mix up a new batch, to be fair. I have got some, and then obviously I treat it on top with Flare. If you do want any of these products, guys, have a look in my links and my bio, and you can have 15% off on me for keeping your toolbox clean. We know how much we spend on these, boys and girls, so we like to keep them tip top. So this is why mine shines all the time, from that stuff there, but degreased with that stuff up there. So that being said, guys, I've taken 6.5 minutes of your time. Hope this has done you well and gives a bit of inspiration. Again, if you want to see what it is, or want to know what anything is, or want to see a better video on stuff, down in the comments. Other than that, guys, love you, bye.